A girl with a yellow hoodie is now in the town. Please don't go to this yellow hoodie girl as she may be dangerous. It is the yellow hoodie girl from a video game. Please stay tuned to this situation. The yellow hoodie girl is now killing any person that she sees. Please don't go near this girl and stay away from her at all times. Stay tuned to this situation. Into people's homes. Seek shelter in a basement now so you have a higher chance of not dealing with these dead ducks. Stay tuned to this situation. The yellow hoodie girl is too powerful for us. It will be the end of the world.